And what?
Mobility. New Voltaren is a gel, so you can target
Probably.
pain right
I
at
mean,
the source.
but you know,
Knees,
nobody's here.
Wrists,
We're on vacation.
elbows, whatever
You know,
you
there's no
use to
flags
dance.
flying
Tell
over
them
the
to learn
Senate
more.
or the House side.
Voltaren, the
I
joy
mean, they're
of
not in session.
movement.
Everybody, you know, they're all on vacation. That's why.
So if there's flags, every morning someone has to pull that off.
Yeah. So if they're in session, there's a flag flying. You see the flagpole over there on the edge.
Yeah.
And so there'll be a flag up, and there's another one over there.
Oh, so one for the Senate and one.
Yeah, Senate's on that side, House is on this side. And so if they're in session, there's a flag. So you can look out and see whether they're in session. I mean, from my office, I can see them. You know.
On your office, you can see because they're on top of the hotel.
Well, I go on top of my building, I can see.
Oh.
Not out my window. The way my angle is looking, I look over, I can see Archives and the mall that direction up 7th Street. All right, over towards the Supreme Court.
Okay.
Yeah, these pictures because I use this thing, I think it's called Snapseed. To do my enhancement. Then this other app I use called Layout,
Layout.
and which I use to then mosaic those pictures together. But Snapseed I use to enhance. So, but yeah, I use this. You know, it's a Google tool. Snapseed is also Google a tool, but yeah. So it's a nice little, you know, image enhancement tool. You know, then my pictures can even look. You know, then the clouds you can do because it's pretty even, but with the Snapseed you get those clouds that will pop. So we'll go over here and take a break over by Library of Congress. Have a muffin. Ready for a muffin? They're small muffins, so. Library of Congress is over there. You can go up closer if you want. I don't know, if you want to get a picture up on the steps or something. Or interact with the police if you walk too far.
Interact with